But actually this is verse from chapter 9, verse 11. Naivatmana prabhurayam nijalab aporno manam janat avidusha karuna varnite yadyat jano bhagavate viraditamanam tachatmane pratimukasya yata mukashri. The Supreme Personality of God is always fully satisfied in Himself. When something is offered to Him by the devotee, the offering, by the Lord's mercy, is actually for the benefit of the devotee. For the Lord does not need service from anyone. To give an example, if one's face is decorated, the reflection of one's face in the mirror is also decorated. So when we're performing devotional service of hearing and chanting, it's not meant for the benefit of the Lord. It's meant for our benefit. The Lord is always glorious whether we glorify Him or not. But when we do glorify the Lord, we actually become glorious, and our hearts become purified, cetotarpana marjanam. We become purified in the core of the heart. And when our hearts become purified by glorifying the Lord, Sankirtan, then we can understand that we don't belong to this material world. We're actually a spirit soul. And our actual activity is to make advancement in Krishna consciousness.